Top story tonight, COVID-19 hospitalizations are on the rise.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says cases have increased since the beginning of July. WSAV's Eden Hodges has some advice now from experts to keep your family safe.
A spokesperson with St. Joseph's Candler tells me in the first 2 weeks of August, they saw a 14% increase in COVID cases over the entire month of July in their emergency departments. 16 people are in Memorial Hospital right now with COVID-19. 2 of them are children. One doctor I spoke to at Memorial told me getting treatment when you start feeling sick can eliminate a hospital stay.
It's a lot more serious when you have more than one respiratory virus at one time or at the same time. They tend to have some overlap, and it is possible.
Hospitals are seeing a slight uptick in COVID-19 cases across our region. As we get closer to flu season, Dr. Tim Connolly with Memorial Health says it's even more important to be vigilant of all the viral illnesses that are going around.
We should definitely not live in fear of some respiratory virus or pandemic at this point, but we can't live in denial that there definitely is a virus out there that we can catch. And, the longer it's been since we've either had it or been vaccinated for it, the more likely we are to get symptoms of it if we happen to catch it.
The first step is to make a plan for when you get sick, not if. Dr. Connolly says an early diagnosis can make a huge difference in getting better.
The people that end up in the hospital with COVID-19 typically aren't the people who just got symptoms yesterday. They're the people who've just been kind of fighting it for a few days and slowly getting worse to the point where they end up in the hospital. And we always look back and say, if you only did the testing for it and knew what this was and treated it right away, it's very likely that you would not have needed to come to the hospital.
Several local health departments offer free testing on site or take-home tests. Now, I did some checking for after-hours access. There are testing kiosks available 24/7 in various cities. We have everything you need to know about free COVID-19 testing on our website. You'll find that information at wsav.com/coronavirus. Eden Hodges, WSAV News 3, on your side.